Here I have iPhone 14, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or a series of photos on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the camera section and enable use volume up for burst, because you have this feature disabled by default, so you have to go here, enable it, and now you just open camera, hold down volume up, and yeah, the burst shot starts. So as you can see right now I'm taking the burst shot. I took like 26 shots, and by going to gallery and tapping select you can view all these shots, select the one that fits you best and delete others. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.